Hello and welcome to our video on solving simultaneous equations using your CAS calculator. For this type of problem, and I've got an example here, two simultaneous equations we're going to solve, there are two methods you can use on the calculator. The first one is using the main screen and the second one is using the graph and table screen. So first of all, we're going to go to our main menu and click on main, and we'll need the keyboard up. And we're looking for the simultaneous equations key, which is this one here with the black box on the top and the white box underneath. Click that one once, and in the top box here you need to enter your first equation, and in the bottom box your second equation. Once you have your two equations entered fully, you need to go to the third box over here. You can just tap on it or press your across arrow to get there. And then you need to tell the calculator what kind of a solution you're looking for. What are you solving for? And in these equations, the unknown variables are x and y. So we put an x, a comma, and a y to tell it that's what we're solving for. If you had a and b in there, you would put a and b here. Make sure there's a comma in between the two variables as well. Then you simply press exe, and the solution comes up straight away for you there. If you had another problem that you were solving straight afterwards, you don't need to type in the whole thing again. You can just use this template, click through to it, and you can change whichever numbers you need to. And press exe again, and it will give you your new solution for the new equations that you just put in. The second method for solving simultaneous equations is solving it graphically. So we go back to the main menu. We're going to go to graph and table, and we need to type our two equations in here. Now this is in Y, the graph and table app only accepts equations in Y equals form. So we're going to need to rewrite these into Y equals form. And I've rewritten mine into y equals form and entered them in here. Negative 5/3 x minus 11 on 3 for the top one, and 1/2 x minus 3 over 2 for the second equation. You'll notice I didn't press enter in between my two entries here, so I will need to tick both of them to say I want both of them to graph at the same time. Once you've done that, you can press the graph button and they will show up on the screen down here, and you should be able to see the intersection point. If you can't, you can move your graph around, zoom in and out until you can see it. Then we need to go to Analysis, Graph Solve, and Intersection. This little icon means it's thinking, and it's going to give you the intersection point. X equals -1 and y equals -2. Remember, if you can't see any of your numbers properly, just click on them and it will show up in the white box underneath. Thanks for watching the video.